The year of 2024 has been an incredible one for smartphones, with every category pushing boundaries and redefining innovation in mobile technology. From budget-friendly options to premium flagships, rugged devices to foldables, and even phones tailored for gaming or vlogging. This roundup highlights the absolute best smartphones of 2024 in their respective categories. So let's have a final look at the best of 2024. The Vivo X200 Pro was our pick for the best flagship smartphone of 2024. It is the brand's latest and most premium smartphone, focused on imaging and design. It's known for its camera-centric phones. Vivo continues its strike with the Zeiss-branded optics and a premium glass and metal build that ensures a solid, ergonomic feel in the hand. The 678-inch AMOLED panel offers a 120Hz refresh rate, 1.5K resolution, and excellent color accuracy. Running on MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, the Vivo X200 Pro delivers performance comparable to Snapdragon 8 Elite devices. Vivo's efficient thermal management ensures consistent performance even during extended gaming sessions. Where the Vivo X200 Pro truly shines is in its camera system. The 50-megapixel sensor captures stunning details, while the ultra-wide lens and a whopping 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens provide versatility for all shooting scenarios. Vivo's V3 Plus imaging chip further improves portraits and low-light photography, making it a go-to choice for photography enthusiasts. On the software side, the device ships with a FunTouch OS 15, Vivo's take on Android 15. Keeping all things powered is a 6000 mAh cell with a 90-watt wired and 30-watt wireless charging. The Best Book-Style Foldable Phone Award goes to Huawei Mate X6. The ultra-premium foldable smartphones are a popular category in the smartphone segment. The Huawei Mate X6 pushes the boundary in innovation with a triple network satellite communication, an industry first for global mass-market smartphones. It features a basalt water drop hinge for improved durability and thermal performance. It comes with a 7.93-inch foldable OLED display offering a peak brightness of 1800 nits and a 6.45-inch cover screen with 2500 nits brightness. Both displays support 1 to 120Hz LTPO refresh rates and 1440Hz PWM dimming. The camera system is equally impressive, led by a 50-megapixel main sensor with a variable aperture, a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It also offers a dual 8-megapixel selfie camera on its inner and outer screens. For more technical information of the phone, you can check out our videos. I will put the videos link down below. Now, the Mate X6 has been launched globally, so for 2024, we think that the Mate X6 has met few comparable rivals in the book-style foldable phones category. Xiaomi finally entered the clamshell folding flip phones in 2024, and despite this, it managed to achieve the crown for the best flip phone. The Xiaomi Mix Flip packs a tall main display and a sizable cover panel as well. It also offers cutting-edge flagship-level performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The flip phone also brings Leica-powered 50-megapixel dual cameras on the rear. All of this is priced for less than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Xiaomi 15 is the best compact flagship phone of 2024. It packs a flagship-level specs and features in a compact form factor. It has Qualcomm's latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a big battery, a stunning AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a versatile triple camera system. So this is a short intro for Xiaomi 15. If you want to know more details, please revisit our full review before. OnePlus' latest flagship is the OnePlus 13 that arrived with improvements across the board. While it is more affordable than some premium models, this model is easily the best affordable flagship phone thanks to a flagship-level performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite, stunning AMOLED display, triple 50-megapixel cameras, and much more. Again, for more detail, please watch the full review. Now, we chose Xiaomi's Redmi K80 Pro as the best flagship killer smartphone in 2024. For just around $500, the K80 Pro offers great value thanks to standout features like the Snapdragon 8 Elite, 120-watt wide fast charging, massive 6000 mAh battery, and a 2K AMOLED display. This could be your next phone, and to make your decision more solid, there's a full review in our channel. Vivo debuted the X100 Ultra in the middle of 2024 as its newest flagship phone, but what made it stand out was its impressive photography experience. The Vivo X100 Ultra brings Zeiss-branded triple cameras with a 1-inch main sensor, which makes it the best camera smartphone of 2024. There's a video about it 6 months ago, you can go back and watch it. Huawei, with its front-facing cameras, offers the best selfie camera experience with the Nova 13 Pro. It features a dual camera setup on the front with a 60-megapixel main sensor with autofocus and AI-powered features, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens for selfie enthusiasts. Especially the 60-megapixel main selfie camera that offers autofocus and is powered by Huawei's XD portrait engine. This helps refine facial features, smoothen out skin tones, and adjust lighting as well. And another 8-megapixel selfie portrait shooter amazingly offers a 2x optical zoom and up to 5x digital zoom for close-up portrait and macro shots. This is unique for smartphones. During our experience, the Nova 13 Pro could truly offer better functionalities as well. So it is our pick for the best selfie camera phone of 2024. For the best gaming smartphone of 2024, we went with the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus. Apart from the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite, the flagship gaming phone features a smooth 144Hz OLED display with a 960Hz touch assembly rate and even shoulder triggers to simulate a console controller experience. You also get a massive 7050 mAh battery packed in up to a whopping 24 gigs of RAM. The Oppo Find X8 Pro packs cutting-edge technology like the MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset and a sweet Hasselblad-optimized camera system on the back. But what makes it extra special is the deep integration of AI. The OS brings various AI-powered features from the AI Toolbox suite. This includes productivity features like the AI Summary, AI Speak, and AI Writer. All of these help summarize, bring forth the key information, and record the details you might need later on, while also offering alternative suggestions. This also extends to the photography experience with the AI letting you unblur pictures, bump the resolution, and more. Lastly, the OS also features Google's Gemini. While the more expensive options in the flagship or best camera segment are great for vlogging, Infinix released the 040 5G as a dedicated vlogging phone on a budget, which is why we gave it the crown as the best affordable vlogging smartphone. The rear packs a 108-megapixel main camera, while the front houses a 50-megapixel selfie shooter. You can capture 4K video recording at 60 fps that makes it perfect for content creators. The front doesn't disappoint either, with a 50-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. But impressively, Infinix has brought support for 4K videos and 60 fps as well. Content creators often have to invest quite a bit to get the best video quality, but Infinix has managed to bring a great package without breaking the bank. All of this is packaged in a sleek 7.9mm body. Other notable features include an AMOLED screen, Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, and a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired charging and 20-watt wireless charging. At this budget, there aren't plenty of options for vlogging, but the 040 5G is a model dedicated to this and is easily our pick for the best affordable vlogging phone. For those working in extreme and rough environments, tech companies have smartphones with a tough durability. Doogee is definitely an old pro in the rugged category. The brand is known for making outdoor smart consumer electronics, and the Doogee V40 Pro is our pick for the best rugged smartphone of 2024. It arrives with a military standard along with the IP68 and IP69K rating. This means that it has been tested in low pressure altitude, drop shocks, humidity, high temperature water jets, and even dust and 1 meter of water immersion. The rugged V40 Pro is powered by Dimensity 7400, which already beats a lot of rugged options over smoothness and performance, and it adds a small windowed screen on the back. I believe it's a real convenience for those who work for adventure outdoors. And all of this is packed in a refreshing new esports-inspired gaming design. This makes it look better than most rugged phones as well. We've also made a comparison video between the V40 Pro and the standard one. You can also check the video link down below. The mid-range segment is easily one of the toughest category considering the sheer number of options, but Xiaomi has been a veteran in this price point, with the Redmi K80 being a clear winner. For under $400, the flagship-grade Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 2K AMOLED display, huge 6550 mAh battery with a 90-watt fast charging, and IP60 rating helps it easily bag the best mid-range smartphone of 2024. In the budget smartphone category, there are a few standouts that hit the right balance of price and performance or price to value ratio, and none do it better than the Nothing Phone 2A. We chose it as the best budget phone of 2024 thanks to its intuitive and unique glyph LED interface, along with a package of solid specs like a 120Hz AMOLED display and Dimensity 7200. There's also 4K recording from the 50-megapixel dual cameras on the rear and a reliable 5000 mAh battery pack. Reaching the end of this list, we have the best entry-level smartphone of 2024. The Tecno Pop 9 was our pick as the winner, as it brings a lot to the table. You get the attractive design paired with the IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Dimensity 6300 is a capable processor, which is fueled by a large 5000 mAh cell. All of this for just over $100 makes it a great deal. So that's all about the best of the best phones we picked for the year of 2024. It's an impressive year for smartphones. There are more segments and powers for various price range and more special phones with targeted niche markets. This leads us to believe that we were right not to limit ourselves to doing reviews of just high-end and flagship models. We just want more friends to understand and enjoy the advances in life that technology brings. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you in more awesome tech reviews in 2025.